Sir, is it okay, sir? Can I start, sir?
Okay, madam.
It is getting recorded, and please proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's my great immense pleasure to welcome our resource person, Dr. P. Rajesh, sir, with the topic analysis and prediction of weather and climate impact in our environment using machine learning in Python approaches. He has received his BSc degree in computer science from Madras University, Tiruvallur Arts and Science College, and he has received his MCA in computer applications from Annamalai University, and he has received his MPhil in computer science from Annamalai University, and he has received the doctoral degree PhD in computer science from Annamalai University. Currently, he is working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer and International Science, Government Art College, Tamil Nadu. Along with this, he has been awarded in the Guinness World Record event as the most user to take on online computer programming lessons in 24 hours. Along with this, he has been awarded in excellence in reviewing Asian Journal of Agricultural Extension, Economics and Sociology, and Asian Research Journal of Mathematics. Along with this, he had published many research papers in journals and conferences. Thank you so much, sir. Allowing the session to Dr. P. Rajesh, sir, to continue the session.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
A difference between offer section for Google 4.1.
My voice and presentation is clear, madam?
Sir, it's clear, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Okay. Good afternoon to all. First of all, thank you to the FDP organizing secretary and the entire team. Today, my session topic entitled Analysis and Prediction of Weather and Climate Impact in Our Environment using Machine Learning with the Python approach. In this session, focused on three basic topics. First one is data analytics, second one is machine learning, third one is data analytics using machine learning through Colab approach. Colab is one of the best platform for machine learning approach. In this session, I am only focused on practical session or hands-on session. The session using Colab using Python approach. In this session, handled 10 topics. First one is how to import the data sets. Second is data pre-processing approach, statistical summary, data frame into NumPy, plot the graphs using data linearity, data split into training and testing stage, training the model using regression analysis, testing the model, check whether the model accuracy is correct or not. Finally, prediction. All the steps I'm using only in the Colab. Colab is the best machine learning approach for Python environment. Okay. In this slide, I'm explain about what is meant by machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allow the software application to become more accurate at predicting the outcomes. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as the input to predict the new output as the future forecasting. Machine learning is important because it gives enterprise a view of trends in customer behavior and the business operational pattern, support the development of new products. Today, many of the leading companies such as Facebook, Google, and other leading companies, MNC companies, machine learning is a central part of their operation. This is a simple example for machine learning. The human is raise the question, I can learn everything automatically from experience. Can you learn? The machine answer is yes, I can also learn from the past data with the help of machine learning. This is a simple example for machine learning. Machine learning approaches can be divided into three parts. First one is unsupervised learning, supervised learning, reinforcement learning. Unsupervised learning include various type of applications. For example, data discovery, future hallucination, future detections, big data visualization. These are the unsupervised learning example. Supervised learning means image classifications, customer retention, forecasting, prediction. These are the example for supervised learning. Reinforcement learning is a gaming, artificial intelligence, robotics, technology, learning task. These are the reinforcement learning. Next, I'll go to the hands-on session. Some using Colab. This is a Colab environment provided by the Google. It is a open source environment. This is the Colab environment. First, the address is https://colab.research.google.com is the address. First, log into your Google account. After you just type the address for colab.research.google.com. This is the best environment for using the Python programming in this environment. This is the Colab environment. This is working based on the Google Cloud support. The first, every machine learning approaches using Python. First of all, I have learned three to four library is very essential for doing the research. First one is Panda library, second one is NumPy, third one is OS library, fourth one is matplotlib. This is for this four library is a very important library for doing the research. First, pandas. Panda means it is used to a open source library written by the Python language. Pandas provide high performance, fast, easy to access the data structure and data analysis tools for manipulating numerical data as well as time series data. This is one of the best library for handling the data effectively in the using data frame concept. Next is the NumPy. NumPy is one of the Python library used for working with the arrays. It is also has function for working in dimension of linear algebra, Fourier transform and matrices. NumPy was created in 2005. This is another important library for handling the research. This is one of the example for NumPy program. Next, Python OS library. OS library is used to handle the hard disk operating system through the operating system handle the hard disk. What are the path? What are the files available in your directory? What are the backend, front-end file available in your current directory? This is one of the best library for finding your files. This is the matplotlib. This is one of the machine learning approaches through your graphical representation. Matplot is a Python library that helps in visualizing and analyzing the data and helps in better understanding of the data with the help of graphical representation. Okay, these are the four important libraries. Next, I am go for hands-on session using Colab session. Okay, this is the Colab environment. First, I'm writing one simple example using pandas. Pandas is used to creating the normal data into data frame. Your data frame concept is very essential for handling the effective interpretation and outputs using some statistical techniques. This is the import pandas as PD. Panda is a package. The age equal to I'm writing one simple example. Age equal to one name per person plus age next male or female. Okay, this is the sum of the data. 4 student data is presented here. The various type of data. This is the list data. simple data, the data converted into data frame. After the data frame, easy to effectively interact with some statistical outputs. Now, normal data is not possible to handle the statistical techniques. The data frame option, the normal data converted into data frame, it is essential for doing some research operations. Just I am run the Colab environment. Just I am click the play button. The output is here. This is a normal data converted into structured data or structured data. Suppose next operation is the NumPy. NumPy is the numerical operation. Some normal data converted into array format or list format. Some of the operation for this is the best example for NumPy. Okay, the normal data converted into array format. First one is the x equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. Next y equal to some data is presented here. After that, the two type of data converted into the array format. This is the NumPy operation. Next, go for matplotlib. Matplotlib is used to what are the data is available, then the data format converted into the graphical representation format. This is the best example for A equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. Then B equal to some data is assigned. C equal to some data also assigned. The three type of data converted into the graphical representation format. For example, plot.figure means figure size is assigned. Next, four type of graph apply into the frame. One frame, 2 by 2 column is 2 by 2 column is divided. After that, the four type of graph is attached here. Next, this is another operation for operating system interact with the hard disk. Input OS package is used to what are the current working directory, what are the files available in the current directory. This operation is very useful through the OS package. First, next time go to one taking one backend data. Backend data means research oriented data. First, I am explain the data in CSV format. This is the data for backend data. In this data, available various parameters. First one is area. Area means various countries. For example, Australia, India, various country, Bangladesh, various countries presented here. Next column. Next column presented what are the items, agriculture item, maize, potatoes, rice, paddy, wheat, maize. What are item means agriculture product. What are the agriculture product based on the various countries. Next go to the year. Year means in 1990, maize in the corresponding country based. Next column is yield. What are the yield in hectares? Per hectares, potatoes, what is the yield for 1990? Next column is average rainfall. And the corresponding year, what is the average rainfall? Next is fertilizer. What is the fertilizer in tons? Next column is temperature. These are the primary data for, this is one of the benchmark data for doing machine learning approaches. Okay, this how to import the corresponding data into the Colab using the data is converted into CSV format first. First go to the file, save as option. Next you select the file type. Just click the file type. You just select CSV format. What are Excel files? What are the file types converted into CSV format? The CSV means comma delegated. For example, suppose your original Excel file data having 5 MB, the data converted into CSV format. This is the file size is 2 KB or 25 KB up to the range. Okay, then go to save option, the Excel data converted into CSV format. Next, go to you just the Excel file, copy and paste into your Google Drive. Okay, the CSV file, copy paste into your Google Drive. For example, my Google Drive is this is my Google Drive. Just I'm my PC. Just I'm click my Google Drive option. Rajesh data mining is my Google Drive. Then go to the My Drive option. Then go to Colab notebooks. This is a various kind of program into the Colab notebook. Then go to FDP AP, the corresponding files. In this, I'm open one folder. Just paste the corresponding CSV file. This is a CSV file. Yield difference is the CSV file. Just I'm open the file. Okay, the corresponding Excel file converted into CSV file. Just I'm close it. Next, I'm go to mount the Colab environment. Mount using just click the folder option. Okay, this is the Colab environment. Just click the folder option. Third option is Google Drive. Okay, just I'm click unmount the drive. Then click mount the drive. Just click the drive. Mount the drive means what are the Gmail account is currently activated. The corresponding drive will be automatically open. Then go for drive option. Just click the My Drive option. Okay. What are the folder available in your drive? The folders is display here. Then go to Colab network. This is the folder for entire research. Just click FDP AP. Okay, you just click the 3-dot option. Just copy the path. Copy path. Okay, just copy the path. The corresponding. Okay, just I'm already paste the path. Just 1 second. I will. Okay, this is the path. I'm just pasting the path. Okay. How to read the CSV file using pd.read CSV. This is the one of the command for reading your CSV file from your Google Drive. Okay, the file name is just yield-df.csv file. Okay, just I'm already run the program, so I'm clear the output. Clear the output. Just I'm click the code. First line is import the CSV file, corresponding CSV file. How to copy the path means you just go to your Google Drive, go to your corresponding folder, just copy the file. Okay, what is your file? You just okay, yield df. This is a file for your backend. Just click the 3-dot option. Go to copy the path. Okay. Next, go to just paste the just paste into the argument to the read CSV argument. Next, df.head means your data is connected. Then first 5 row will be displayed. This is the head means first what are the row available in your data. For example, 2 lakh, 3 lakh data. First 5 row only display here. This is the option for head. Just I am click the run the program. Okay, run the program using Just to play the play button, then run the program instantly. Your data is displayed here. First one is unnamed. Unnamed field is available here. Area, item, year, yield, rainfall, tons of fertilizer, average temperature. This is the backend data. In this data, next I am using another command. This command is, okay, clear the output. Data dot. Okay, data dot information. What are the information behind here? What is your original data? How many fields are available? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fields are available here. What is a row is available here? What is the size of your backend data? Yeah, some primary information is displayed here. This the command name is info. Info, it is used to what is the details of your corresponding CSV files. Just I run the coding. Okay. In this case, display various information. For example, your size of the data means 1.7 MB, 0 to 28,241 rows is available. Total column is 18 column. What are the field name is parameter name is available? First is unnamed field. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. The index name is unnamed. Next one is area, item, year, yield, rainfall, pesticides. Next one is temperature. These are the field. Next one is also is available in the another column. What is the type of the data? First one is integer. Second is to object. Next integer. Next floating. For example, fertilizers and another temperature also floating type of data. This is the basic primary information about your backend file. Next, describe. Describe command is used to some basic statistical measurement display here by using your previous data, your connected data. For example, what is minimum value? What is the maximum value? What is a quartile? What is a mean, median? Some preliminary values about the statistics value is presented here. Just I am run the button. Okay, what is count means? How many row is available? 28,242. This is a row. Next mean, the average of year average. Next yield average. What is the rainfall average? This is the second row is mean value. Mean value means what is the average for entire column. Next standard deviations. Standard deviation, how to vary from one value to another value. Minimum values. Next 25% quartiles, 50%, 75%. What is the maximum value? Some preliminary statistics value is displayed here using describe commands. Okay, next. Okay, this is one of the interesting results. For example, I clear the outputs. Okay, unnamed 0. Suppose some unwanted field is available in your data set. For example, unnamed data is not useful for your research. For any other column also not useful for your research. Then easy to remove the corresponding column. Okay, next I'm go to drop command. Drop command is delete the corresponding column. Okay, suppose unnamed is the 0 means the first column. So I am drop the first column. Just I am run the coding. Okay, the first column is also dropped. Oh, you go to the unnamed field means 0 to index value 0 to up to the end. The column also not necessary for doing some statistical operations. So I'm drop the column using drop command. Suppose the area is not useful for your research, then easy to drop the area. Okay. Next, the drop command is used to delete the corresponding column. Okay, next and go for matplotlib. This is a graphical representation library. The library is having a lot of graphs. The one of the graph is pie chart. Pie chart is averagely divided into the various kind of operations. For example, for using area, value count means using area means the first column is various countries listed here. What 3 means top 3 countries. Okay, value dot count colon 3 means top 3 country only presented here. Next dot plot kind means what chart is display here. Okay, pie chart means pie, histo means histo, line means line. What are the types available? Then you single quotes, you just type pie chart. Okay, but just I'm clear the output. Play button. Okay, the Indian country is the top maximum presented in the area. So this is the maximum place occupied. Next Brazil, Mexico. Suppose I'm just first 5 country, top 5 country only display here. Then just I replace for 3 to 5. Just click once again. The first topmost country, 5 country only display here. Okay, what is the number you want? You just type. Suppose I'm typing 10. Just divided into 10 countries. What is the topmost countries up to the bottom? Your top to bottom you display using the pie chart. Next time go to another option. The same option. Only I'm changing the country. Okay, what are the countries display here? Then I've changed the number. Next time go to the bar chart. The same pie chart is converted into bar chart type. Okay, then using the area value dot count means 5 means 5 top 5 country only available here. Dot kind equal to bar chart. Bar chart means the Indian countries up to nearly 4,000 row available for in the corresponding data. Brazil up to 2,200 row available. So top to bottom is display here. Then just I'm change the 10 to 5 to 10 means first top 10 country only listed here. Okay, this is another kind of charts. This is a line chart. Similarly, kind equal to just type the line means the graph is converted into the line chart. Next, for using itemize, what is the topmost first your previous graph only explain the based on the country. Next item wise, for example, you take the item. Item means second column. Second column means what is the agriculture product? Rice, paddy, plus soybeans. What are the maize? What are the agriculture product? Based on the product value dot count, you just type means the kind equal to pie chart. Top 6 agriculture product is display here. Okay, this is another kind of another type of retrieving the data using graphical representation. This is a similarly bar chart. Next, just type 30 agriculture area equal to just type 30. What are the topmost to bottom wise display here? First 30 country only display here. This is another important chart is box plot chart. Average, take the column is average rainfall per year. Okay, this is another column. Dot plot means chart type is plot. Kind equal to box means box chart. Box chart means it is indicate what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, first order quartile, third order quartile. This is the median value. Various kind of preliminary statistics value is presented here for using Fox plot chart. Okay, this is another useful information. For example, your rainfall, minimum rainfall is 0, maximum rainfall is nearly 3,500. First order quartile is nearly 1,600. First order quartile, third order quartile. Next, this is the median. Median value is indicated in the green color. Okay. Next, this is a histogram. Histogram chart is based on the frequency diagram. This is another histogram for using pesticides in tons. Okay, these are the various type of graphs for using for retrieving your backend data in graphical representation format. Okay, next I'm go to some another type of graph. For example, this is a Z1 graph. It is used to your data converted into color format. Okay, this is one of the latest research. Most of the paper included in this graph. What are the data available in your data set? The data set is converted into the graphical representation format. For example, this is the one of the data. For example, 10 cross 10 matrix. Okay, 10 cross 10 matrix. The data is randomly for using data equal to numpy dot random distance, random integer value, low equal to 1, high equal to 100, 1 to 100. Okay, select 1 to 100 randomly, put into the 10 cross 10 matrix. The first the data is randomly selected. After the data is displayed here, the first value is 10. The lowest value is 2. The lowest value is 2. The highest values, I think 98 or 99 is the highest value. The lowest value is converted into the black color. The dark black is lowest value. Dark white is the highest value. For example, 98 is nearby the sandal. 100 means pure white. The base depend upon the colors. Depend upon the number, automatically the colors will be converted. For example, 20, 40, 60, 80. Near to 100, the sandal color is displayed here. For example, 98. You go to the 99. 99, some dark white. Okay. This is the color for your entire data converted into the color format. Okay. The heat map chart. The chart name is heat map chart. Okay. Suppose this is another graph. The same graph. This is based on your data set. Okay. For example, heat map open difference dot correlation between x and y. Okay. For example, for using this graph, your entire data converted into the your CSV file converted into graphical representation format in color format. For example, near to 1 means highest value. All the value is converted into 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1 means your 0 value is the minimum value is black, indicated in black color. Your 1.0 is pure sample. Okay, 1 point is pure sample. This is automatically generated colors. Okay, automatically generated colors. For example, your R2 score or correlation coefficient, you just you calculate correlation coefficient. Your X value also here, Y value also here. The correlation coefficient value also 1. Okay, so suppose this is the color is indicated all the color is indicated as handle. This heat map chart is very useful to indicate the correlation coefficient or R2 score value for using the graph. Okay, next time go to the pandas. For your data set converted into panda. Okay, your previous data set, your CSV file converted into panda. For example, dummy means some various column is available here. Various columns, various parameter available in your data. Some of the field is not important for your research. Then the data, the corresponding column is converted into dummy. Dummy means converted into 0. What is your original? What is your important field is available here? The field is converted into 1. Okay, this is a dummy means the command is area and items. Area item only, item converted into the dummy. Okay, next I'm clear the output. Just I'm click. Okay, in this outputs, some of the field, the area names also converted into 0. Item value is converted into 1. Some the potato also 1. Some of item only converted into 1. Okay, remaining values converted into 0. Okay, this is the dummy commands. Next time go to your data converted into column wise. Column wise means first column is what are your country is not essential for research. Year is essential one. Next rainfall is essential. Pesticide is also essential. Average temperature is essential. This field is used to apply the statistical operation or linear regression or correlation coefficient using this 4 field only. Remaining field is not important for some calculation purpose. Okay. So our data set converted into column wise. Column means this is the important columns. The data is transferred to important columns. Then using the this column value having various type of data. For example, this is one of the data pre-processing steps. Data pre-processing means various scale of data is not possible to apply the any model. So go for data transformation. Data transformation means various scale of data converted into similar scale. For example, year is one type of data. Rainfall is pesticide also tons. Temperature also Celsius. Various scale of data not possible to apply into the model. So go for standard scale. Standard scale or maxima minima normalization apply into your data. The data is converted into similar scale data. Similar scale means all data converted into 0 to 1. Okay, this is the another important pre-processing steps. The data is converted into 0. For example, your previous 1485 is the rainfall value. The rainfall value converted into 0.473. This is the data normalization value. Okay. Next time go for this is a standard one of the example for data pre-processing step. In data mining, I mentioned the data pre-processing. This is used to various type of data normalization operation. First one is robust scalar method. Robust scalar method also one of the normalization techniques. Next is standard scalar. Next one is maxima minima scalar. These three type of data normalization technique is used to various type of data, various scale of data converted into similar format. Okay. For example, I here mentioned some data. The data also converted into graphical representation format. Okay. Before scaling, after scaling. The first one is the first method is robust scalar. Second method is standard scalar. Third method is maxima minima method. Okay. This is one of the three type. The first type is this type. This is the original data. This is the normalized data. The robust scaling method is nearly the two type of data also nearly equal. Next, this is another data transformation technique. This is your original data converted into the graphical representation format. Next time go for another command means drop column. Already some of the column is not essential, then I'm just using the drop command. Drop command means your hectares yield is converted into is drop and converted into the x. Okay. Xp y, your y value is yield. X value also another okay, x value also dropped. Y values converted into the yield value. Just I am clicking here. Year value is presented here. This is not a actual value. Is a data normalization value. Next, your year value, average rainfall value. Next, pesticide value, temperature value. Okay, this is the data normalization value. Then just I am. What is the value? Just I am typing y means what are the values stored into the y variable. This is a y variable. Then go for another training testing model. The machine learning purpose is one of the major concept is training and testing. Okay, the training and testing is available in model selection. Scalar dot model selection import train test split. Okay, this is one of the important package for train test split. Train test split means your 100% your data is considered as 100%. How many percentage for training purpose? How many percentage for testing purpose? This is the command is available in train test split package. Okay. First your x-axis and the x-axis, y-axis selected here. First one is the x-axis value training, x-axis testing, y training, y testing. Okay, your two column. For example, x, y. X is considered as yield, y is considered as rainfall. Okay, for example, x train means 70 for test size. I'm just indicate assign test size equal to 0.3 means 70% is training, 30% is testing. Okay. Next, random state equal to 42 means randomly select first value after the 42nd position value. These are the selection purpose. Randomly select the 42nd position of the next value. Okay, the first x training, x testing, y training, y testing. X and y converted into training and testing purpose. Using train test split, where x value means where x value is capital X means yield, where y value is x and y. temperature. Based on the test size is 0.3 means 30% testing size. Okay, next. Just clear the output. Okay, just run the program. Green text means there is no error. Then go for just display the X training data. What are the training data in? Okay, this is the training data. Training data means your entire data only 70% only taking consideration into the training purpose. Next is testing data. Randomly select 30% of the rows for testing purpose. For example, you go to the your entire data size is okay 28,242. Okay, this is your entire data size. The training purpose means 70%. 19,769 is 70%. Next testing purpose 8,473. This is the testing data. Okay, your entire data converted into training data and testing data. This is the Y train. Similarly, Y train and Y test. Okay, this is another important libraries for some regression methods for using random forest regressor, gradient boosting regressor, SVR, support vector regressor, decision tree regressor, R2 score. These 5 type of packages is very useful to find out the prediction accuracy. Okay, predict the accuracy. For example, this is one of the prediction method. The 5 type of prediction method also very familiar in data mining field. This is used to find out the accuracy of your result. For example, the first method is random forest regressor, gradient boosting regressor, support vector regressor, decision tree approaches. R2 score is also what is how to find the linearity. For example, X and Y, what we find plot into the graph, and also find the linearity in percentage. Okay, just click the import the 5 type of packages. Okay, green tick means there is no error. Then first go to the first decision tree regressor. I'm taking consideration into decision tree regressor. Here is the output. A decision tree regressor, import the decision tree regressor. The fit means what is the regressor fit? Fit means what is the X value, Y value fit into the model, regression model. X train, Y train fit into the regression model. Regression model based on the decision tree approaches. What is your prediction? Prediction means Y prediction. Y prediction based on the X value. For example, dt.predict, this command is used to predict the future value, future forecasting based on the Y value. Okay. Suppose the score means R2 score means the correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient, the XY value converted into the correlation coefficient formula, the output stored into the score. Just click the run button. Okay. Your based on your yield and temperature, your future prediction also 97% is correct. Remaining percentage is error, some error. Okay. Next time go to another gradient boosting regression model. This model also one of the regression model. In this method, for your output is your R2 score is
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Madam, just
Rajesh,
run the program, madam. So,
Oh, sure,
madam,
sure.
now audible, madam.
It's audible, sir. Now it's
Okay,
audible.
madam. Okay.
Okay,
This is
sir.
another gradient boosting regression model. This model is another model. This model is used to finding the accuracy based on your rainfall and your yield. X value, Y value is the rainfall and yield. This type of forecasting or prediction is based on the benchmark data set 96% in gradient boost for using gradient boosting regression model. Okay, another one of the famous technique is random forest regression. This is a mostly using the computer science people is mostly using the data mining concept for using random forest regressor. But this method, the R2 score value, your accuracy based on the X and Y value is near to 81%. Remaining 19%, 81% of prediction is correct. Okay, remaining percent some errors also available for using random forest regressor. In case some agriculture data, the random forest regressor return 81%. Some medical data, so the random forest method is 91% or 95% is possible. Okay, next time go for another simple example. Okay, this is one of the simple example program based on the previous example. Okay, for example, experience and salary. This is only two column is available. First two column is experience, second column is salary. Okay, based on the experience, your salary is predicted. Okay, this is a X value is experience, Y value is salary. In this case, describe means based on the X value and Y value, some statistical measurements value is also presented here. Next, I'm go for another one of the pre-processing technique is a very important pre-processing technique is null. Is null command is used to what are the for example your data set is 28,000 row, 10 columns. What any null value is presented here, the easy to find out using the is null operation. For example, experience return false, salary also return false means all the field occupied some values. Suppose experience return true means any one of the position, any one of the column is a null column. Null column means not value is presented the corresponding column. Okay. For example, in this case also training testing purpose also available here. In this method, your data is converted into graphical format. Graphical format means data is converted into the how to form the linearity also. Your, for example, salary and the experience based on the graphical representation, how to form the linearity or not. Okay, in this method, the two type of X and Y data form some linearity. Okay, so next time go for R2 score. In this case, 92%. Your prediction accuracy is 98%. Okay. For example, just time you see the example. You just time 4-year experience. What is the salary? Salary of the person. Okay. Then I am go for you just type the 4 the corresponding 4-year experience. Their salary is 64,000 something. Okay. This is one of the prediction. Another example for your previous data. our CSV file only based on the India filter into the Indian data. Okay, various country data is presented. Your previous example, I am splitting into the only Indian country only. I'm splitting into the Indian country. Then the data is converted into CSV format. After that, so the same preliminary steps. In this case, 64% is accuracy for future prediction. Okay, this is another example. This is a accuracy based on your prediction, future prediction. What is your accuracy? Then easy to plot in this type of graph is very useful to display your accuracy format. Okay, this is another type of graphs. This is also another type of graphs. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Okay, madam. The time is also near to 3. I'm taking some time, madam, or close.
Madam, sir, you can have, you can take 2 or 3 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay,
please.
Sir. Okay. This type of programs, Python program, is very simple and easy to learn any type of peoples with some set of codings. For example, you go to the Java and other type of languages or packages is very complicated for solving this type of problem. Especially using the Colab environment is very useful for very useful and essential. Your what are the program is automatically saved to your drive. Okay, for example, one of the I'm discussed with one best advantage for using Colab. Just I'm clicking here. Okay, just I'm RAM disk space. Okay, just I'm go to track this option. In this case, the Google provide 12 GB of RAM. Okay, the RAM size is 12.68. Okay, 12.68. But I'm using for using this process, I'm only using 1.53 size of RAM only. Disk space also Google provide 107 GB for using Colab for my Gmail account. Okay, our Python version Google provide Python version is Python 3. Okay. The RAM size not depend for my system, my laptop. This is only focusing on your Google cloud environment. Okay, this is one of the, for example, you are using suppose using your laptop 2 GB or 4 GB of RAM, the program is not possible to run fast. For using Colab environment, this is the Colab environment, Google environment. Google provide lot of space and also RAM space, the latest Python version. Okay, so one of the best platform for solving some machine learning problems. Okay, these are the another example. Okay, sir. Any doubt for this session? Please discuss, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's really a privilege to see you online. Participants, if you wish to interact with the professor, you can unmute yourself and talk, please. Archana madam, you can conclude, it seems to be.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Dr. Rajesh, sir, for your valuable presentation on analysis and prediction of weather and climate impact in our environment using machine learning in Python with Python approaches. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable presentation.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much.
Okay, madam.
The participants who are present over here, please stay connected. Within a few minutes, the next session will be started.
Good afternoon, madam. Nandini garu.
Sir, I am here in the line only.